Hey guys, how you all doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make Thailand's favorite dessert, mango and sticky rice. Fresh mango, coconut infused sticky rice and a nice sweet coconut milk. Come on, let's show you. Okay, I'm using about 500 grams of glutinous rice, sticky rice. Now with mango and sticky rice, all the work is actually in the rice. The mango is fairly easy. So we have to rinse the rice 4, 5, 6 times until we get clear water. And then when we've got clear water, we just fill it up and let it soak overnight. Right, okay, the next day what we need to do is we need to actually just rinse the rice a couple of times only, and we'll have clear water, and then we're ready to start with the steaming. So to prepare our steamer, what we need to do is soak our steaming cloth. Now by making it wet, obviously when we put the rice in, the rice will not stick to it as it steams, which makes it easier for us. So when we put the rice in, what we want to do is actually level it out, and then the secret tip is to actually make a well in the middle, and this helps the steam the rice. So what we do then is just cover it over nice and easy. Don't press anything down, just cover it over nice and gently and put it in the steamer. And what we're going to do, we'll probably steam for about 30 minutes and then we'll check it. Okay, so open up the cloth gently and carefully because you will get scalded. Don't forget, this is red hot steam. And then what we want to do is just turn over the rice, fluff up the rice a little bit, and then spread it out again gently. We don't want to break all the rice grains, so do it gently and cover it over again and steam for about another 15 minutes. Whilst that's steaming, we can prepare our coconut sauce. Now, just tipping coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of salt and about 200 grams of sugar. Now the coconut sauce is sweet, okay, so we just stir it all around to dissolve it, and then we put our cooked rice in the coconut sauce mixture. This is not cooked. We just put our rice in and leave it for 30 minutes and the rice will absorb all the fluid. So after about 30 minutes we just want to gently turn it over because obviously the rice at the bottom is actually absorbing more of the coconut milk than the top. So turn it all over, put the lid back on and let it stand. Making the coconut cream, 200 ml coconut milk. I'm using fresh coconut milk, so I have to strain it. We want a good tablespoon of, or a good half tablespoon of rice flour and about half a teaspoon of salt. Now I don't put sugar in this mix. Some people put sugar in, I don't. I think the rice is sweet enough. This just wants to have a little bit of a salty taste because the salt and the sweet in the rice make this dish. Okay, so we turn on the heat and we're going to cook this, stirring all the time till it thickens, and it'll be a bit like double cream. Serving up, what we need to do is take our rice out of our pan and we can put it on a plate. Or if you prefer, just leave it in the pan. But if you're for show, put it on a plate, round it off gently so it looks really, really nice. Right then, for making up a portion of mango and sticky rice, you want to take a hunk of rice, a good little handful, bob it on your plate, Then we need to peel the mango, so just take the top off the mango and peel the skin forward away from you all the way down. With the right mango it's very easy to actually peel it all the way down. It comes off quite easily. And then what we're going to do is slice it across. Now you can slice across as many times as you want, but we tend to slice it about 4 or 5 times. And then basically what you do then is cut over the stone. The stone is the shape of the mango, and it's quite flat. So you cut over the shape of the stone, and then we just slide off the mango onto the plate. Once again then, cut across, and then cut over the stone and slide it onto the plate. All we need now is a little bit of our dipping sauce, and that's it. Mango sticky rice made. So simple. All the work is in the sticky rice. The rest is very easy. Now don't forget guys, if you like what we're doing, cooking real Thai food, please like and subscribe. And there'll be many more recipes to follow. Coconut infused sticky rice. Absolutely wonderful. And fresh mango. Thailand's favorite dessert.